Welcome to the Digital Maddie Show. This is a platform where I share my knowledge on how to record an amazing video, create your personal brand, and build your online business with ease and comfort with social media marketing. I also invite many influencers and digital marketers on this show and ask amazing questions to extract their secrets of business, which can help you in your business and life. Let's get started with your host. Hi, my name is Digital Mithil and I'm a YouTube and video podcast expert, and I help aspiring video influencers to record your podcast and video and make sales through video marketing. We have an amazing guest on our show. She is a relationship architect. She is already into the studio. Let's welcome her. So let's welcome on our show Shruti Sethi. Let me introduce her. She is an author and a relationship architect. She is a mother of two girls, started taking her first baby steps towards empowering women to realize that they need to start loving themselves. And if there is an issue, to speak out and seek help and not to suffer in silence. So welcome Shruti to our show.
Thank you, Mithil.
Awesome, Shruti. So Shruti, let me ask you one of my favorite question. What's your favorite quote or a line that motivates you on a daily basis?
My favorite quote is think like a queen. A queen is not afraid to fail. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. This is a quote which I love by Oprah Winfrey. I just worship her. She is my idol.
Wow, that's awesome. That's awesome, Shruti. And absolutely, even you are a queen.
Thank you so much.
Great. So, Shruti, can you share your backstory with us?
Um, I am a mother of two girls, actually three, because I've got a pet dog also, and so I'm actually a mom of three. I'm an author, and I got into this field as a relationship coach after I went through the ups and downs in my life. I realized that women especially keep everything inside them. They don't open out and talk about their issues freely. So I wanted to help them out, and so I decided to go on this journey. And here I am as a relationship coach and on your show now.
Awesome, awesome. So, Shruti, let me ask you a couple of questions since you are a relationship architect. So, what is relationship and its importance in our life?
The relationship, as per me, is a close connection between two people. The relationship we form with other people are vital to our mental and emotional well-being, because man is not a social animal and man needs a self of belonging. That is where we feel grounded. So I feel relationships are very, very important in a person's life.
Great, great, Shruti. So, Shruti, how do you know if the relationship is healthy or not?
Relationship is healthy if two partners are having a proper dialogue between themselves, they are giving mutual respect to each other, and they have mutual trust. Relationships can never be built on lies, as per me, as and if such relationships are there also, they will not exist for long, because it'll fall down as a pack of cards. If you have dishonest in a relationship, you're heading for disaster. Trust me on that.
I totally agree, Shruti. Absolutely. So, now when it comes to relationship, Shruti, what are the common mistakes that people make?
uh, being in this field, I have noticed that people are making three most common mistakes, which is holding your partner responsible for your emotions and feelings. Like, it happens that sometimes you have a very tough day in office and you come out and vent your anger on your partner, which I feel is not correct. How is your partner involved in that, whatever bad day you have had? That is not correct, and that will give back foot to your relationship. And the second common mistake, which I feel, is they keep blaming each other for the mistakes that they have happened in the past. Like, they hold a scorecard. Like, you did this that time, I did this. This is not correct. This should never happen, because then people are hurt. And even if a relationship has to be mended, it will not be mended. It will go to it will go to dogs, is what I would like to say here. And then the third most important issue I feel is that people should not discuss about the relationship issues with others, because not everyone is their friend. People come into your lives to dig out information like surveillance cameras. They want to know in your lives. And if you discuss your relationship issues with a lot of people, you are definitely going to head towards disaster. Because I feel that relationship problems and issues can be solved only by the people involved, like a husband and wife or your partners. Nobody, no third party should be involved in that at all. It's not going to help you.
Absolutely. I totally resonate with what we are trying to say, Shruti, and thank you so much for giving this, beautiful values to us about how to take care of the relationship and to maintain it. So, Shruti, all the people who are listening to this episode, if they want to connect with you, how can they do that?
They can visit my website, which is shrutisethi.in. They can visit my Facebook page, Shruti Sethi, and I'm available on Insta also under Shruti Sethi _2020. And of course, I'm available on Spotify and Anchor. They can listen to my podcast and they can connect with me through email. My email ID is connect@shrutisethi.in.
Great. So, all the people who are listening or watching this particular episode, all the links are available in the description. So, do check it out and connect with Shruti if you are undergoing any kind of relationship challenges, and if you need or you seek some solution, she's the right person to go to. Thank you so much, Shruti, for sharing so much awesome values to us. But before we end this episode, would you like to say something to our viewers?
I would just like to say that be honest in your relationships. Don't build your relationship on a lies. That will not exist. That will fall down like a pack of cards, like I earlier said. And if there are issues, please sort it out. Talk it out amongst yourself. Don't approach for help. Because like there's a saying that too many cooks spoil the broth. Same way it happens with relationships also, because if you communicate with your relatives and every other person, they will add spices and it goes just haywire.
Wow.
And believe in yourself.
That's really cool. Thank you so much, Shruti, for sharing this awesome values, and thank you so much for being as a guest on our show. It was our honor to have you on the show.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Great. So you have just listened to the Digital Maddie Show with your host, Digital Mithil. Thank you so much for listening to our show and giving so much love. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast on Spotify or Apple Podcast. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. This is Digital Mithil Dave signing off at the moment. Until next time, keep rocking. Catch you in the next episode.